Want to earn $800 through Facebook? To begin, you must first download Facebook Messenger, which is available for free on your smartphone or computer. Continue by visiting the webpage I'm going to show you today and copying your unique code, which you should then put into your Facebook Messenger. And with that, you'll be on your way to making some serious money. The following is a completely new and unique approach for you to generate fast money with no talents or investments required. With this strategy, people from all over the globe earn real money on a daily basis and get paid within 24 hours. It's critical that you pay attention to all of the recommendations I'm going to offer with you in this video if you want to be successful with this strategy. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave some comments below. Before we get back on track and start watching the video, you must first go to this website in order for me to expose the secret Facebook technique to you. SuperPay is the name of the website. You can earn a substantial amount of money every single day by using this brand new strategy, which combines the use of Facebook Messenger with the use of SuperPay. What we're going to be talking about today is their fantastic referral program, which I suppose you could say is where the magic occurs. Nothing is required of you. All you need to do is copy and paste your unique referral link into the various locations on the internet. And just like that, money will begin to pour down on you. It's a lot less difficult than many people would first believe. Please stick around as I'll walk you through the whole process of creating a fully free account in the next few minutes. And I'll even provide you with lots of real-world examples of how to earn money online using social media platforms such as Facebook and Facebook Messenger. Now that you're on the SuperPay website, what I want you to do first is just click on this Join Free button right here, which will redirect you to the sign-up page. Nothing complicated here. The registration procedure is straightforward and it's completely free. The only thing you have to do is fill in your name, email address, username, and location to complete the process. They are welcoming almost everyone from virtually every nation on the globe, as you can see in this picture. As a result, it makes no difference where you are. As long as you have access to the internet, you can sign up for a completely free account right now. Simply fill out the form below with all of the required information and then click on the Create Account button. Now let us go to the next website that we will be utilizing when you have completed the creation of your superpay.me account. iRazoo.com is the domain name for this one. With the help of this website, you may earn free gift cards as well as some cash. They've established a solid reputation for providing a large number of cash awards to all of its users. So here's how it works. You may register for free on this website, after which you can begin viewing videos and collecting points by clicking on the icon right here that says Get Started. And it will direct you to the sign-up page, where you may sign up using either your Facebook account or your email address as your login. Now, all you have to do is click on the button that says Refer a Friend. Take a look at this. This is the amount of money I can earn by posting my photos on Facebook and encouraging others to do the same. Later on, I'll lead you through the step of the procedure. Please stick around and I'll even show you the scripts and templates that I use in my business. The fourth step is to register yourself for iRazoo.com. If you go to this website and bring your friends to it, each time they join up using your link, they will get 500 points and you will receive a commission on the sale of those 500 points. As you can see, you may earn a referral bonus of anything from 100 to 500 points by referring others. For the time being, all I want you to do is connect into your Facebook account, either via your phone or through your computer, and input the term Earn Money Online into the Facebook search box. Following the completion of your search, a slew of results will appear. To proceed, just click on the Groups button, which may be found right here on this page. We will be able to filter out all of the Facebook groups that are dedicated to earning money online in this manner. In order to ensure that the groups will be joining or posting on our public groups, we must first further filter the results to ensure that they are appropriate for inclusion. Now that the filter has completed its task, we are presented with a list of all of the groups that have been set to public, meaning that you do not need to seek admission to these groups. And that implies that after you've signed up, you'll be able to publish anything you want. According to what you can see on this page, there are several groups on this site with hundreds, perhaps thousands of posts and members, and we may now participate in these groups without having to pay anything. Let's just go ahead and click on this button right here to get things started. And just like that, you're a member of the club. Allow me to give you an example. We can see that there are a large number of users who are posting links in this community, as seen below. Additionally, many of them are in fact referral links or referral codes, which are quite similar to the ones that we wish to advertise. The problem is that there are a large number of individuals who have been doing this over and over again in various Facebook groups. Now, I want you to pay careful attention because what you're about to do is a very significant mistake. Why? This is due to the fact that the vast majority of group members merely spam referral links and referral codes across the group. And these days, Facebook group moderators and administrators are zealous in their efforts to ban these individuals from the groups and expel them from the site. As you may have guessed, they've been going about this whole thing the incorrect way. Don't you think it seems rather shady when individuals just spam links and codes like they're programming a robot? Now, in order to prevent this from occurring to you, I'm going to share this template with you. In order to explain the script that I use, and which you may also use, runs as follows. I've been quite disappointed in my hunt for methods to generate money online. It's been months now, but nothing has appeared to work, and I haven't been able to generate any income online throughout that period. By starting with that, you've immediately piqued the interest of your readers. Having genuineness on your side is quite crucial since it allows others to trust you and connect to you in your quest for online money-making opportunities, which is critical. Therefore, when you say something like this, people will feel more comfortable with you and will be able to connect with you more easily. Thus, your thoughts and anything you have to say would be more readily accepted, so continue by stating something along these lines. It's a miracle that my fortune changed only a few days ago. Everything changed when I found this fantastic approach of earning money online. It's even absolutely free, and I clearly understand what it's like to suffer for months on end in search of solutions that really work. So please feel free to leave a remark if you want assistance or advice, so that we can have a fast discussion and I can send you a quick message with all of the facts. Please call or text me at the number above. I can assure you that this script is completely effective and that you will get a significant number of hits and referrals as a result of using this method. Simply copy the script and then return to Facebook group. And all you have to do now is create a post on this group using the script that I just shown. It's as simple as pasting it into this box and hitting publish. You can repeat the method in a number of other Facebook groups, and you can put up numerous posts each day in dozens of different Facebook groups that you may join for free. Please keep in mind that this is just the first step, because after you publish a content, there will be a slew of various individuals who will respond to your post and leave you comment information informing you that they are interested in learning more about the strategy that you are discussing. The next step is to add the individuals who commented on your article as friends on Facebook, which you can do by going to Settings and then Friends. As soon as you've added them to your Facebook friends list and they've accepted your friend request, you'll send them the 2 messages that I will show you. This is not going to be accurate at all times, so update the information that needs to be updated. Dear Sir or Madam, you inquired about the finest money-making software a while back and asked for further details. As promised, here is a confidential link that you can use to join up for a free account right now. There's even a $5 bonus to be gained. Once you have signed up with this code, it is now going to be used as a referral code, which you will get. In addition, the link is to the irazoo.com website. The fact is that this is one of just a handful of websites where you may earn a commission simply by recommending other individuals to the platform. Consequently, every time someone signs up for iRazoo using your link and enters your referral code, you will earn money from the site. Following that, I'd want you to respond to this second message, which you can find right here. This money-making website may also provide you with an extra source of income if you choose to pursue that route as well. Your referral link to the superpay.me website, on the other hand, is the URL that you'll be providing them. Simply send these 2 messages to everyone who participates with your post on your Facebook groups, and you will be eligible to win the contest. Have a large number of free referrals. Simply choose the messages you want to share, copy them, and send them to everyone who is interested using Facebook Messenger. It's that simple. This is definitely something that you may consider doing in the long run, so long as you're cautious not to be banned or thrown out of Facebook groups. You can keep doing it and the money will continue to pour in. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.